Hello student, in my last class I discussed the introduction of income tax. In continuation of last class, today I shall discuss the deduction of chapter 6 under section 80C to 80U from gross total income. Before discussion of deduction, we should know what is the meaning of gross total income. The total of all sources of income after allowing the deduction in each head is called gross total income. Deduction under chapter 6. Following important deductions that are deducted from gross total income in different sections if the SEC is entitled to get the deduction. Deduction under section 80C. If the SEC invested the amount in PF, PPF, RPF, LIC, ULIP, NSC, NSS, child education fee, principal of housing loan, mutual fund, fixed deposit, LIC pension scheme, actual amount of deposit restricted to rupees 1,50,000 shall be allowed to deduct under section 80C from the Income Tax Act. Such deduction is also under section 80CC, C, 80CC-D. Second, deduction under section 80CC-G for the investment of listed in equity shares. If the SEC has invested their deposit in listed equity shares of the company, then 50% or 25,000, whichever is less, shall be deducted under section 80CC-G. Deduction under section 80D. Premium for health insurance for self and family members and parents. For self and family members, rupees 25,000 shall be deducted from gross total income. For parents, rupees 25,000 deduct from senior citizen under section 80D from gross total income. Deduction under section 80DD for disabled dependent person of family. In general case, rupees 75,000 shall be deducted from the gross total income of SEC. In severe case, rupees 1,25,000 shall be deducted from gross total income of the SEC under section 80DD. Deduction under section 80DDB. If the SEC expenses incurred for specified disease on self and family member. In case of below 60 years, it shall be restricted to rupees 40,000. In case of senior citizen and super senior citizen, this will be restricted to rupees 1 lakh. Deduction under section 80E. Interest paid on loan for higher education. If the SEC paid the interest in previous year for higher education loan, the entire amount of interest shall be deducted from gross total income of the SEC under section 80E. Deduction under section 80EE. Interest paid on self-occupied house. It shall be restricted to rupees 1,50,000 or actual amount whichever is less, deduct from gross total income. Deduction under section 80G for donation. From this point of view, donation is divided in two categories. Some of the specified donations shall deduct 100% from gross total income. Rest of non-specified donation shall deduct 50% of donation from gross total income. Deduction under section 80GG. Rent paid on rented house for self-occupied. Excess of 10% of income, 25% of income, rupees 5,000 per month. The list of the above shall be deducted from gross total income under section 80GG of the SEC's income. Deduction under section 80GGB. Political party or election trust. The entire amount of contribution of SEC to above mentioned party or trust shall be deducted from gross total income of the SEC under section 80GGB. Deduction under section 80IAB for developer on profit of the development of a specified economic area. It shall be deduct 100% from the profit of business of developer from 10 assessment year. Deduction under section 80IBA. Deduction on profit of residential project. If the project approved by the authority of central government after 1st June 2016 before 1st April 2020 and it shall be completed in 5 years from the date of approval of the project, then such deduction shall be deduct from profit of the project from profit. Deduction under section 80P on income of the cooperative society. The amount of deduction shall be 50,000 and in case of consumer cooperative society it shall be deduct rupees 1 lakh from the income of the cooperative society under section 80P of the Income Tax Act. Deduction on the income of royalty for writers under section 80QQB. Entire income of royalty or rupees 3 lakh, whichever is less, shall be deduct from the income of writer income under section 80QQB. Deduction under section 80TTA. Interest on saving bank deposit for individual less than 60 years. Such deduction allowed to the income of individual less than 60 years under section 80TTA. Actual amount of interest or rupees 10,000 whichever is less shall be deduct from gross total income. Deduction under section 80TTB. In case of senior citizen, the interest of bank deposit shall be deduct from gross total income of the super senior citizen. The actual amount of interest and rupees 50,000, whichever is less, shall be deducted from gross total income of the super senior citizen under section 80 TTB. Deduction for disabled person under section 80U. Such deduction shall be allowed to deduct from the income of SEC for self. In normal case, it will be restricted to rupees 75,000 or rupees actual amount, whichever is less shall be deducted from gross total income. In severe case, it shall be rupees 1,25,000 deduct from income of the SEC under section 80U. After the deduction under different section, the income is called total taxable income or total income. In next class, I shall discuss another topic of income tax. Thank you.